Okay, I just got my new motor for the filter pump. Here it is right here. However, it's raining outside, so I'm gonna have to work very quickly. Power is off. Undo these 4 bolts in the corner of each and just yank this out. I'm gonna tap with a hammer as I'm loosening it. It tends to help sometimes. I just hung the wire on my fence. I think that should do it. There she is. You can see on this one, the rotor, the shaft spins freely. Well, this seems to rotate freely. This one is grinding. This one was really loud yesterday when I turned it on. I think this just comes right off. Oh, you know what? I gotta take the impeller off first. To do that, I need to hold the shaft steady so that I can twist it off. I'm gonna take off the back cover. Yep. I got it. Okay, now time to get these off. Okay, 9/16. Maybe in another video I will take this off and clean it up and see if we can still salvage this motor somehow. I'll have to see if they sell the ball bearing that goes in there. So we'll clean this up. Comes right off. Okay, let's compare electrical. So we are set to 230 volts. Okay, so 230 volts is over here. And if we wanted 115, we would simply move this black thing down to here. So these look basically the same. Looks like we are preset to 230. But if we wanted to change that, turn this knob to 115. It looks like we want 230. So that was 1/2 inch. Aha. Oh, wait a minute. This says L2 up here. This says L1. So red, black. L2, yep, says L2 in there. L1 up here. We can take this. Okay. I don't know what this wire's for, but I'm not going to worry about it. We got L1 black, L2 red. Okay, back to it. L1 is black and L2 is red. Okay, I'm gonna clean up these things. You probably don't need to see that. So, pause. Okay, got everything cleaned. Here's the diffuser. SP2600B. Pump motor plate, I think. SP1600F5. Diffuser gasket went on here. But I have a new one. Then I have BV and 2V. The pump seals. Okay, so that's 2V. This is BV. So here's the old impeller, SP2607-C. And here's the impeller seal, I guess. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this Hayward genuine part, SPX 2607C. Okay, so we have to put the brand new pump seal on it. Okay, so it looks like it goes on this way. Just that. Oh. I'm going to lubricate this. Leslie's Pool and Spa Lube. Use on O-rings, gaskets, valves, threaded parts. Okay, got some more lube. So where does this one go? I think it goes in here. So I got this part out. There it goes. This is ribbed. These ribs are kind of worn out. So I'm going to clean this real quick and then I'm going to lube it up. Okay, it should look cleaner. I think this is the top. Gonna wash these. Okay, gonna do alternating corners first. Okay, let's put it in. Forgot about the seal. Gotta get a new one. This thing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and switch on the power. That's working. Seems stronger than before. It's purged all the water, all the air. Let's check the pressure. That's about normal pressure. I'm usually at 10. But I did just do phosphates and I haven't backwashed the filter yet. So that should be right. Okay, it's now 11:30. I believe I started this around 6:30 or 7. So it's taken me about 4 to 5 hours to do all of this. I think most people that I've seen online said that it only took them an hour. So I definitely took longer, but I wanted to go slow and careful. My pump is working. It's filtering my pool and getting rid of the algae. So I'm happy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Smell you later. Goodbye.